Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing pattern and fabric so shaping is precise. Cut tissue to size and match pattern grain to fabric. This prevents twisting once worn. Once aligned, transfer crucial marks, dart apexes, seam allowances, and notches using tailor's chalk or tracing wheel. Pin along seam lines and clip curves lightly to reduce bulk. Make sure to label each piece, front, back, lining, so you don't mix them later. This foundation speeds sewing and ensures the princess darts sit where intended. You now sew the darts that define the bodice shape. Fold each piece right sides together and match the dart legs precisely. Pin or base to hold alignment. Stitch starting at the wide edge, slowing as you approach the apex, then leave a long thread and tie off instead of backstitching to avoid a bump. Once stitched, clip the tail and press the dart flat toward the center or down, using steam to set the curve. Make sure both sides mirror each other for balanced shaping. You finish by assembling the bodice and skirt for a polished silhouette. With darts pressed, sew side seams, then attach the skirt to the bodice, matching seam allowances and notches. Press seams open for a flat finish. Once joined, add a lining or facing and understitch to keep edges neat. Insert a centered or invisible zipper, test fit, then hem to desired length. If seams pucker, check tension and needle size. Restitch darts with a shorter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.